This is a video to show you how to record screen in Teams. So go to calendar first. Then you set up a meeting with yourself. So meet now. You can give it a name. I'm gonna turn off my audio and video for this demonstration, but you should leave everything on. Okay. Once you enter the meeting, you can start to share a specific app, for example, OneNote or PowerPoint, or you can share your desktop. I'll talk a little bit about that later. So I'm going to share my OneNote. And then you need to go back to Teams to start recording. So ellipsis, start recording. Right. So now all of your screen actions on OneNote, as well as your audio, and a video thumbnail of you on here will be recorded. So for example, right, so 5 to about 4. Right? Then once you finish, you can just simply hang up. And the video will be automatically saved on stream. So I'm going to refresh it. So you can see this is the video we just made, and it's being processed and saved. So while it's being processed, I'll show you, because I know a lot of us are using PowerPoint. So it's the same thing with PowerPoint, just with a slight difference. So again, you set up a meeting with yourself, and then you share your PowerPoint. For example, so your PowerPoint will actually be embedded in Teams, and then you can just go through your PowerPoint in Teams, and all of your audios as well. You also get a video thumbnail as well, will be recorded, and then you just simply hang up. The same thing, the video will be saved. So this is a note on the side. If you're gonna switch between different platforms or apps, you may want to choose desktop. If you choose desktop, everything you have on the screen, if it's a website, it'll be recorded. If it's PowerPoint, it'll be recorded. If it's a OneNote or Word, it'll be recorded. So this is something you choose if you're gonna switch between different things. And you may want to include system audios so that if you're gonna show a YouTube video on the website, it can, the audio can be heard by the students. Otherwise, the students wouldn't be able to hear the audio. Okay. All right, so now it's finished. And then you can change the who can view it. So you can share it with one of your team, or you can have everyone in the district see it. And you can share it to a specific person. And you can also turn on the transcript. So there's a feature on the side. You can have transcript, and you can have some interactivity like add forms, stuff like that. You can play around with that. So I'm gonna show you what the lesson looks like. I'm gonna use a pre-recorded example. So here you can put on transcript. Okay. April 1st, we'll start a new unit. Kinematics accelerates over time, which is equal to change in velocity, which is dot v over change in time. So they can see you going over the nodes, and they can see your face, a video thumbnail of you, and they can see the entire nodes.